Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how we can sign up with GitHub. In the last session, we have seen how we can download and install Git technology on our computer. Okay, now let's navigate to github.com, github.com, okay, and let me just click on sign up. Okay, then just put username. I'll put master Moshai. Okay, I put double M in case it's available, so I can put single also. And my Gmail address is master double M, then Moshai @gmail.com. Okay, all right. And what we can do, I can check it here, send me occasional product updates, announcements and offers if they have, of course they have, and then just click on please solve this puzzle so we can know uh, it's you. Touch the arrows, okay, again, and when it is even, just click on done and select on plan. All right, then I just save the password also so that I don't need to provide password again and again, and choose the plan free because I don't want to pay, but if you want you can pay. Okay, and how much programming experience do you have? A little, a lot, moderate amount, and none. I'll say a lot, or I can say a little, or moderate amount. You can choose anything, but I will not recommend to put a lot unless you have 3 to 7 years experience. Okay, then what do you plan to GitHub for? Just click on learn to code. Okay, then I am interested in JavaScript, say for example JavaScript and complete. Okay, you can choose more than one. You can say also Python, some other languages if you want, and software development. Okay, complete setup, and it has been already set up. That's so easy. Okay, but you have to verify whether you can access it. How you can verify it? Just go to your Gmail, click on here, Gmail, a Gmail has been sent from GitHub to your um, promotions. GitHub, yes, GitHub. Please verify your email address. Sometimes you can find in the inbox, but you have to also check it from promotions sometimes, GitHub to verify. I have to click here verify email address, and I am all set. Okay, now what I can do, I can just click on this plus sign. Okay, then click on new repository. I can name web dev 2020 20. Maybe I can just make it different than the folder we have created on our computer earlier. Okay, and I want to keep it public because I'm not paying. If you want to make it private, you have to pay. Then initialize this repository with readme file. Okay, you can take license from MIT, but it's not necessary. Click on create repository, and our repository has been created on our GitHub account. Just like click here, click on my username, and I can see a new repository is here. Okay, I just click on it. This is my repository. Okay, webdev 2020. I have dashes, and to clone it I have to just copy it. Okay, you can copy here also, right button click and copy, or you can just click here and copy it. Now if I want to leave a note, okay, I can now click on this pencil and I can write whatever I want to write here, and even you can code here. If you want to code, just click on code, and now you can code here. Okay, all right, I just take this URL and now I will navigate to, I'll just open my Git. Okay, make it bigger. I just press Ctrl plus to make it bigger fonts. Then I just write cd. Then I go to desktop, and I'm now inside the desktop. Then I will say again cd, and my folder's name is webdev 2020 on my computer. Webdev. It's saying no. So what I can do, I can check ls and check whether I have webdev file or webdev 2020. Okay, or we can just open anyone. So what I can do, I just say cd means change directory. Change directory means I am changing the folder or directory, and say web, you see the spelling is not B, we wrote B, then dev 2020, and we can check what we have inside the web dev 2020 folder by writing the command ls, means show list, and we see we have two files. One is index.css and index.html. Then I just write clear and press enter, and it has been cleared. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just tell Git clone, and right button click, then paste, or you can try to paste it. Sometimes it doesn't work. So what I can do, just give a space, then right button click and paste it and press enter, and the repository from my GitHub cloning into my local computer. We call it local repository. The repository in the GitHub we call it Git repo or global repository, remote repository, but the repo we have cloned into our computer inside the web dev 2020 is called local repository. Now we can just command ls and we see now we have also web dash dev dash 2020. That is the exactly the repository we have created inside the GitHub. You see? Okay. Now, what we can do, we have to navigate to this repository. Just write cd and say web dev dash 2020 and I think it is different web the spelling. Okay, so it will be cd web dash dev, okay, dash 2020. Always keep in your mind spelling mistake is not allowed. And now we are inside this repository, and now if we clear it, then check ls show list, we see we don't have any CSS file or HTML file inside this repository. So what I can do, I can just say create means touch means create, index.html, then again say touch means create, index.css, and now check with ls, we have now 3 files including license. Okay, we have also readme file. And now what we can do, just write code space bar, then dot, press enter, and it will open now Visual Studio Code Editor. All right, now we are going to learn how to write some HTML codes into our code editor. We just go to index.html and just press shift and exclamation sign. It should pop up the exclamation sign here. Okay, then we can just press enter when it is pop up, but it hasn't. Okay, now it has popped up, press enter, and this is HTML boilerplate. Okay, now what we can do, we can just write title is HTML, and we can write any code. We can say welcome. All right, and press right button, click on open with server, live server, and we can see welcome is here. So that's all for today, and in the next session I will show you how we can move further from here, from Git technology to GitHub.